What if I told you there's a tool that can help you rake in cash, without breaking a sweat? In this video, I'm showing you how to use Grok 3, built by XAI, to make money online, step by step. Plus, I've got a real example that could get you thousands of views and subscribers. Stick around, hit that like button, and let's dive in. My name's Adam, and I've been testing AI tools to find the best money-making hacks. Grok 3 is my latest obsession. It's smart, it's fast, and it's your ticket to profits. Here's the plan. I'll walk you through 3 simple steps to use Grok 3 to create something people will pay for. Then, I'll show you an example, a faceless YouTube channel idea that's blowing up right now. Step 1. Use Grok 3 to brainstorm money-making ideas. This AI is like having a genius business partner. Ask it, what are 10 trending YouTube niches for 2025 that can make money? In seconds, it'll spit out ideas like AI tool tutorials, minimalist living hacks, or weird history facts. Pick one that's hot, like AI-powered side hustles, because trends equal views, and views equal cash. Grok 3's answers are fresh and spot on, so you're already ahead of the game. Step 2. Let Grok 3 write your money-making content. Say you chose AI side hustles. Tell Grok, write a 500-word YouTube script about 5 AI tools for side hustles. It'll craft a killer script, hook, steps, and all. Then, plug that script into Pictory, yep, the tool behind this video. Pictory turns your words into a polished video with stock footage, music, and captions in minutes. No camera, no problem. You've got a faceless video ready to upload. Step 3. Turn that video into money. Upload it to YouTube and join the partner program once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Ads will start paying you $5 to $18 per 1,000 views. Add affiliate links in the description, like for Pictory or other AI tools, and earn commissions when people sign up. Niche videos like this can pull in sponsors too. More views, more subscribers, more cash, it's that simple. Here's an example that's killing it. A faceless YouTube channel called AI Mysteries Unveiled. I asked Grok 3 to brainstorm, give me a video idea about unsolved AI mysteries. It suggested, the secret of AI that solves crimes. I had Grok write a script, think creepy AI stats and real cases, then used Pictory to add eerie visuals and a robotic voice. One video like that could get 50,000 views easy, earning $250 from ads alone, plus affiliate cash. Mystery niches are gold for subscribers, people can't resist clicking. That's it, Grok 3 plus Pictory equals money in your pocket. Try this out, and let me know in the comments, what niche are you picking? Smash that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more money hacks every week. As ever, thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.